Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how to animate on click on Canva. So the first step is to open your presentation, then ensure that you can see the timeline. From here, go to the page that you want to animate on click, then you should see all the elements that make up the page. The next step is to duplicate that same page. So it's either Control or Command D on your keyboard. And so just keep duplicating it until you have all the elements that you wish to duplicate. So for example, I want to animate on click 4 items. So for this, I'll need 4 copies of the same page. If you have 3 elements, you'll make sure you have 3 copies, just like that. So then on my 4 pages, I'll go back to my first page. Then the next step is to delete the other elements that I want to animate on click. Then group this first option and select animate. Then I should see the option appear on click. So you would enable that feature. Then you can now click on an empty space and you can try out this feature. So you can go back. Then you'll see when I'm clicking, the element appears automatically. So let's go to the second page, follow through the same steps that we've just completed. So group them together, animate, appear on click, then we can go to the next one and follow through the same instructions. So repeat these steps as many times as you need to. And then on the last page, you shouldn't be needing to delete anything. So from here, we can now go back to the previous page, go to present. Then when you click on the next slide, so click, it appears. Click again, the next one appears, and you just keep clicking until they all appear. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.